Good morning, people. Debarkation day today. We didn't get to Castaway Key because of storm herring, so we ended up with another day at sea, which was still good. It's, you know, I'm not a beach person, none of us are, but we were a bit disappointed we're not getting to Castaway Key, so it just means that we might have to do another one. But Debarkation day, yeah, so our last restaurant in the rotation was Enchanted Garden, so they give you the option of dining there for your breakfast. As we've decided to take our own luggage, we're just going to eat at Cabanas. I expected to see more of them here this morning. So they give you luggage tags with an image of one of the Disney characters on. I think we had Donald, albeit we've not used them because we're taking our own luggage, but you put your luggage tags on, you stick your luggage outside of your room at 10 PM the night before. They take everything for you, take the hassle out of it, and it'll be back waiting for you downstairs. I've got to do the drive back up to, I have to get the address of the villa. I think the villa's in Devonport. I've not had any Google, no internet for days, so I'm not too sure. We're going to check into the villa and then maybe do Disney Springs, but I had about 3 hours sleep last night, so I'll see how I get on. I never did get on that. Right, time for a coffee. I think we docked at Port Everglades at about 5:30 this morning, so they made good time. You were doing circles in the sea. We missed the storm completely. Obviously getting back off the ship on the same floor we got on, level 3. We've already got a bit of a queue waiting. I don't think it's 7 o'clock yet. Just outside of Sea Treasures is where they're letting everyone collect their alcohol that was confiscated when they got on the ship. We got in a queue to get off the ship at 7:15, and it's only 7:30 now, and we're on our way to the car. So if you've got a flight booked or anything like that, I'd certainly use the express. The people were still waiting to get the bags. I can't think for the life of me where I parked. I know I parked on level 2. It's not a very big garage. Is that my car flashing? I have no idea where I've parked it. It was definitely on this floor. You watch, it's going to be right on the other side. Ah, there it is. Oh, get that aircon on. Whew. The Panda Express. Oh, nice. Master bedroom. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that'll do. Certainly better than the one on the cruise. There's no one in it. Amazing. Right, I think she's going to drag me to Walmart now, and then I don't know what we're doing for tea. Disney Springs. Hey pal. Oh, tidy. In all the years I've been coming here, I've never actually used the barbecue. Oh well, we've ended up going with Target. This is about 4.5 miles from the villa, which is closer than Walmart. Well, it's brownies are only $4.99. Yeah. What the heck? Lunchables. Oh yeah, right. With a Prime. Can't have the half and half. How much is this? $5.99. I honestly don't get the fascination with pumpkin. I mean, I suppose I can't knock it till I've tried it, but am I missing out here or something? Wicked. Oh, my mate Jason likes a bit of Lucky Charms. No thanks. Weirdo. Made it to the important aisle. $25 for a crate of 24. I normally get a cheaper brand than that, but we'll have to go with it. They don't have as much options in here than Walmart. M&S. How bizarre. Oh. 221. Oh, that's been a long day so far. But we're thinking a few hours in the pool and then go out for tea. At the minute we've not decided, but might be Disney Springs. Right, let's get changed. From ship to Springs. I haven't got a captain to sail me around in circles avoiding the rain now. It was absolutely lashing it down on the way here. Side note as well, correct me if I'm wrong, I always thought there was a lime and an orange garage, and then I've just spotted a grapefruit garage. Has that always been here? I mean, I've been coming every year and I've never noticed it before. $100, you too could have Thor's hammer. Oh my god, he can pick it up. We're still trying to work out on somewhere for tea. Right, go on, what we're thinking?
Let's go for Flight Pig.
Flight Pig, right. So the drive back was pretty uneventful, thankfully. Took us about 3.5 hours. We did it a little bit of traffic, but nothing major. The rain's back. So the cruise, I said I'd go on about the cruise. I enjoyed everything about it, other than the size of the pools and how busy it was, and the fact that I know it happens. I'm not naive to the fact that it doesn't happen, but people booking lounges really gets on my wick. And we had people putting towels down on lounges at like 7:30 in the morning and then leaving them there all day, and it just irritates me. Hang on, going back in another shop.
Oh, look at that.
How much is that?
It's only $29.99.
What is it, a bag? Right, where was I?
Nice to go.
Oh yeah, cruise. I'm definitely going to book another one. I enjoyed everything about it other than what I just said. The entertainment was good. The food was good. Disappointed we didn't get to Castaway Cay. Other than that, it was ace, yeah. Like a well-oiled machine they are, Disney. Right, time for some tea. The wait time's a million gajillion hours. Back to the drawing board. Have a look at Blaze then if you want. Isn't that round the corner here? One thing I need to remember for the next cruise though is to take a large drinking mug with me. I saw loads of people walking around with them insulated ones with the straws on, and I wish I would have had one really. Oh, and get some swimming shoes because the frigging deck is boiling. I wouldn't mind it, I've got some with me, but I forgot to take them out every day. 3 drinks, three 11-inch pizzas, $51. Fill the gap. Reasonable price, really. I think I've said everything I was going to say about the cruise, to be honest. I will do another one, maybe April next year. I wouldn't mind, we actually changed this cruise from, we moved it technically forward a month, because we should have been on the Halloween cruise, but because of school, time off school and stuff like that, we changed it to this one, but never mind, we'll get there next time. But right, so the wife tells me she's going to do a bit of shopping, so as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.